Today I'm coming to you from Gold Street here in Blakehurst. Now the last sale that happened here in Gold Street was in November 2019, so almost 2 years ago. That just shows how tightly held this particular street is. So at the bottom of the street you have water. You look to the top of the street, you have water also. And behind you have the views of the Georges River. So you're surrounded by 3 amazing waterways. Now the home itself is number 44 Gold Street, which was built 8 years ago. And as you can see, a French provincial theme in mind. The home offers 5 to 6 bedrooms, multiple living spaces, and of course those amazing water views from the rear. Welcome to 44 Gold Street here in Blakehurst.